Hey guys, it's Marcus here, and in this video, we don't need Lamborghinis, we don't need to flash stacks of cash around, because we are going to show you exactly what you need to do if you want to make money online. So if you're tired of all the hype, all the junk, and all the empty promises that leave you fending for yourself with no support, here is a solution for you that I think you're going to find amazingly affordable. And that is the brand new Blog Profit Network. About 11 years ago, I started the Blog Profit Network as a simple way to give my plugins to my students. Later, I disconnected the program because I thought the price was kind of low, but I've decided to bring it back to help people out that are struggling with making money online. So what we're going to do here is unlike anything else you've ever seen before. We are actually going to get on the phone Zoom call with you every week and answer your questions, which is, in my opinion, worth the entire price of this course and then some. So you got to ask yourself, what is it worth to me to actually get help from the person who created the program each and every week? That's right, you log on every Tuesday, you ask your questions, I help you out. Now, here's what you're going to get. You're going to get access to plugins, you're going to get access to coaching, you're going to get access to videos, keyword reports, personal hand-holding, everything, you name it. So what's going to happen here is you're going to use this page on blogprofitnetwork.com. You can see it's secure. You're going to scroll down to the bottom and you're going to see the price of $127 plus just $37 a month. That's like less than $9 for each call, and you could ask whatever you want. Sometimes if I have time, I even redesign people's landing pages, pull up keyword reports, and teach different topics. Actually, today, we're going deep into how to do keyword research, and of course, that replay is going to be uploaded so you can watch it whenever you want, which is awesome. So you're going to click this Add to Cart button right here. You're going to be taken to a super secure ClickBank order page that's going to look like this. You're just going to put your name, your email address, your name, your card number, everything like that, and you're going to click the button. Now, this is only $127, which is cheaper than most programs out there that are like $2,000 and don't even provide what we're providing for you here today, and $37 a month. Now, if you ever want to cancel, this is all self-serve. You go in there, you click the cancel button, you don't even have to talk to anyone, and you can cancel out of the program if you want. Now, I think you're going to want to stay for a long time because of what you're going to get. Now, as soon as you hit that Pay Now button, you're going to be taken to a login page. You'll get instant logins. You're going to click login right like this, and you're going to be taken to our member forum. This is forum driven. This is a private forum that is just for our members. You can ask questions on the forum. You can get replays on the forum. You can get notes. You can get training. You can get plugins, you can get everything. So once you go in here, you can actually dive right in and you could go and watch the video about how to start your first blog in 15 minutes. This will walk you through everything. It's got instructions, everything. You can even go in and watch our $1,000 fast plan. This is a special recording I made for one of my $1,000 coaching programs to show people what they would need to do if they wanted to make $1,000 fast. Now, again, we don't need hype. This is something I've been doing and making a living with for 21 years in hundreds of different niche markets. This is the same program that put my kids through private school. They're both graduated now, or one graduates in a month. And this is something that can work. And I want you to know the results are not typical, implied, or guaranteed. Are you going to watch this video and make $1,000? I have no idea. Most people that buy this kind of stuff make nothing, but I think you'll understand that this is practical. This is stuff that actually works. We go in and we outline it for you. We show you screenshots. We show you exactly what's going on, and you're watching over my shoulder as I build these plans and build these sites with you and sometimes even for you, which is pretty cool. So we're going to go through, and you could do the get paid to share the Blog Profit Network if you want to go that route. You can go into Ask Marcus, and you can ask me any question you want about anything you're struggling with. I check this every 48 hours, and I try to get you a response as soon as possible. Again, you're getting the answer from me, so like instant support, I mean, I could provide that, but I think you want the answer from me and not some person who doesn't know what they're talking about. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. If you want the answers from the person directly, this is where you want to go. This is the only place you can go to get that. Now, under the Tuesday calls, you can see here that we list all the replays of the Tuesday calls. So if you want to watch the first Tuesday call we did back in March 9th, you could watch that here and everything like that. Now, if you're going to go on like today's Tuesday call, you can actually put your questions right here. And in the beginning of the call, we answer all the questions that are here, and then the replay will be posted right here. So if you can't make the call, don't worry. You get the replay, you get the questions answered, you get everything you need, which is really cool. You're also going to get access to special deals and discounts. So if you want to upgrade to one of my other products later, you can do that. There are no upsells on this. Like, you buy it, you get your logins, that's it. That's the end. You can go in and make money. Now later, if you want us to build a site or pick your niche or do something else, you can have that and you get a discount as a Blog Profit Network member. You also get the blog basic training, which is where I go through and teach you everything about blogging, from WordPress setup to structure to basics, pages and posts, SEO, getting free traffic, advanced setup using themes and plugins. Everything is there for you. It's all video based. It's all easy. All the files that you need to download are right below the videos. And then, of course, we have the Voodoo plugins. Now, these are plugins that I personally spent over $100,000 of my own money to make for my own sites for my own affiliate marketing. Now, since then, I've decided to package them as the Voodoo plugins and offer them available to you guys as part of the Blog Profit Network. So you could go in here and say you want to turn your blog into a funnel. You click Funnel Voodoo, you download the plugin right here like this, you use the plugin, and boom, your blog's now a funnel. You can also use the Button Voodoo, which is responsible for getting me massive amounts of traffic to go to my affiliate offers. You can use the Slide Voodoo, which puts a cool little slideshow on your site. But again, all of these plugins don't just put stuff on your site. These are all designed to get maximum amounts of people to click to go to your offers and affiliate links. You have Click Voodoo, which tracks all your affiliate links, Voodoo Announcer, where you could put like a little bar on your site that says, hey, click here to get this thing or whatever. Social Profit Voodoo and Survey Voodoo. Again, over $100,000 of my own money was invested in these plugins. I think you're going to find them awesome. You're going to want to use them all the time. They are really good. Use them. We also have blog themes. These are custom and customizable blog themes that you can use based on selling. This isn't just a pretty theme to make your site pretty. This is to make your site sell, because at the end of the day, you're here because you want to make money with your blogs, not just because you want to create blogs, right? So my themes are based on stuff that works after doing this for over 21 years. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I'm pretty much like a dinosaur when it comes to making money online, which means I know what works and I can see past the fluff, I can see past the hype, and I can get you where you need to go. All you got to do is start your site and show up. Show up on the Tuesday calls, show up in the forum, ask the questions, and I can help you. If you're willing to meet me like a tenth of the way and say, Marcus, help me, I don't know what to do. You show up, you get the answers, bada bing, bada bang, you're done. You do the stuff, you come back next week and you get more help. And you keep coming back. And I guarantee if you keep coming back, I can help you understand this and I can help you get results in a really cool way. Again, we don't need hype. We don't need junk. Do you want to make money online? Do you need help? Then you need to sign up right here at blogprofitnetwork.com. Fill that form out, get on those Tuesday calls, and get the help. Stop messing around. This is going to help you get where you need to go. We also have the money reports. These are reports of my videos, some of my trainings, things like that, where you could go through and you could actually see, oh, hey, here's how to make, $1,000 a week launch jacking. Here's how to do this. And from time to time, I'll throw some little gems in there, like this one that has tons of headlines you can use for your blogs. Everything is in here. If you are wanting to make money blogging, you need this. This is me talking to you like a friend. Like if I was out there and I was having a buddy who was like, I need to make money online, this is where I'd send them. This has the tools you need with the personal support. And I got to tell you, you need personal support. You need someone to come along and help you with this stuff because there is no one size fits all. If a guy is in the dieting niche, I'm going to give him different advice than a guy in the race car niche. It's very, very fluid, and you need to be able to ask questions, and you need to be able to have a place that you can come to often to get the help you need. We also have my famous keyword research. This is where you go through and see all the stuff. Now, from time to time, I added a new thing, and my goal is to put 100,000 non-competitive keywords in this section with videos and trainings and everything. I started with this little hot dog cart niche, which is kind of a fun niche, and we're going to put some other ones in there as well. Guys, this is the real deal. There's no messing around. You either want to do it or you don't. You either want to make money or you don't, and you go in here and you get it. Now, in the marketing secrets section, this is kind of like my dump folder, where I dump the cool little one-off trainings. Sometimes I'll have a training where I charge $100 or $1,000 or whatever. And sometimes if I did it, a while ago, I'll throw it in here for you so you could see it. Like the press release video, this alone is worth the $127 you're going to pay, right? Go in there, watch it, and I challenge you. Like if you don't think it's worth it, say, Marcus, I don't think it's worth it. So far, no one said that. But you can see that it's absolutely worth it. We're giving you stuff that I've been doing. I've tested this. I've done the legwork. I've been in this industry for 21 years, and I know exactly what you need to do to get where you want to go. So sign up for Blog Profit Network. Show up on the Tuesday calls. Let's make money together. You can see that everything is here for you. You can get the help you need. We are here for you. You just got to say, yes, I'm willing to meet you a tenth of the way. I will show up and I will ask questions. And if you can show up and you can ask questions, I can help you get where you want to go. So sign up right now, blogprofitnetwork.com. You're going to see this add to cart button below this video. Use that button, fill out this forms, get your logins. If you ever need help, use the forum. If you need other support beyond that, we have a support site set up for you. Guys, this is the real deal. So you got to ask yourself, am I tired of messing around and getting confused with info overload? Am I willing for a measly $127 to let someone come alongside me and answer my questions? If the answer is yes, click that button, sign up. If the answer is no, I don't know if I can help you because you got to meet me at least a tenth of the way. And if you're not willing to do that, I don't think I can help you. But if you are, click that button and I'll see you on the inside.